Can y'all take a wild guess what radio this is? Let's see, what radio would be doing about 12 bird watts and 45 bird on the 43 PEP and the 43 bird 43P, which is got the PEP kit in there. What radio would be doing something like that? Let's see, maybe a dual final superstar Connex or something. Maybe a dual final Galaxy. How about a single final Cobra 29? Well, hell, that don't mean nothing just sitting there looking at the sticker. Let's see what it's really doing, y'all. We got a 10-watt slug. Okay. First, let's see what this dead key variable would do. Let's turn this thing all the way down. Let's see if I can zoom in here. So I can key it while holding it. Okay. Alright. It's turned all the way down. Let's slowly roll this thing up. That's probably about as far as it's gonna go, right? No? I'm sure it ain't go no more higher than at least 6 watts. No? Dang. All the way to almost 8 watts. Dead key RMS, huh? Let's get this thing back down to about 2 watts. There we go. Let's see what this thing is really going to do. Oh, damn. No. Damn. Oh, oh. Man. Well, seeing how it's slapping the wall on a 10-watt slug, I'd say it's doing every bit of 12 RMS. I need to get me a 25 or a 50-watt slug. Let's see that again. Oh! Let's turn that dead key down, let y'all see that thing swing from 1 watt. After I bust my mic. No. Damn. Oh, cool. Well, hell, what will happen if we turn it all the way down? There ain't no way it's gonna do 10 birds that slap with no dead key, is it? Oh, almost. Oh, came close. Let's give it about a half a watt dead key. That's half a watt. Let's see if it still can hit it with a half a watt. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, well, there you go. Cobra 29. Hitting 12 bird watts. Y'all want me to hook it up to this digital meter real quick just to show you? It's doing 45 PEP on a bird But what would this show on a conventional PEP meter? Should I hurry up and hook that up? Hell, let's do it. Let's do it. Y'all give me a second. Y'all give me a second. Let's hook this up. Let's do this real quick. Real quick. See how quick I can do this. Unplug that. Oh, by the way, that wasn't into a dummy load. Just to let y'all know, that was not into a dummy load. That was into an antenna. My dummy load is not hooked up at the moment. I'm about to hook up the dummy load now, though. Yeah, I got to hook up the dummy load the way I got these jumpers set up. Let me go ahead and hook this up now. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. Here we go. This goes to here, which is going to the dummy load, which is going to the digital meter, and this goes to here. That goes to the bird meter for the input. Alright. This goes to the back of the radio. Alrighty. Now we got the digital hooked up. Let's make sure. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see what it shows on the conventional PEP meter. .0 dead key. Let's give it some dead key. Alright. Conventional meter. Oh. Goodness gracious. Now, I guess some people could say, hey, he's tricking us with the meters. He's got something done with the meters. Alright, well, let me tell you something you can't trick. And that's an amperage meter. I got this radio hooked up too. Let's follow this wire. Let's follow. Let me show you the back up. Make sure you see that's in there. Okay, follow. Follow right there. This is a 21 amp power supply. Watch. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, there you go. You want one of these? Might be able to do something about it. Holler at me.